area of a rectangle. You can find the area of a rectangle by taking the number of squares in each row and multiplying the number of times you repeat each row as you cover the inside of the shape. Imagine sweeping or rolling across the surface of a shape with a row. For example, find the area of the rectangle. Here is the rectangle. There are 5 squares in each row. There's your 5 squares in each row. And 3 rows in the rectangle. 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows. There are 15 squares. Area equals 15 square units. Count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The number of squares in one row can be called the length of the rectangle, and the number of rows in the rectangle can be called the width. To find the area of a rectangle, use the following formula. The area is the number of squares in one row times the number of rows. So that's another way of saying the area is equal to the length times the width, or the area is equal to L for length times the W for width. They're all the same thing. For example, use the formula area equals length times width. Here's our rectangle. Each row has 3 1/3 square units, so the length, L, of the rectangle is 3 1/3 units. There are 2 rows, so the width, W, of the rectangle is 2 units. There are 2 rows. The area equals 3 1/3 units times 2 units. And 3 1/3 times 2 is the same as 3 1/3 plus 3 1/3. So the area is 3 1/3 square units plus 3 1/3 square units. That's equal to 6 2/3 square units. The area of the rectangle is 6 2/3 square units.